You get sad, depressed, and angry when you see people who have things that you want? If so, I have a solution for you. Now, we're not very different. And I say this because when I really started to notice, when I stopped caring about what people had and what people said, and what people just, the things that they showed off on social media and all of those different things, when I really started to notice, when I stopped caring about that, was when I really started to realize that that's their chapter 10 or their chapter 20. And I'm on chapter 1 or 2. Same with you guys. If you're on chapter 1 or 2, don't compare your chapter 1 or your chapter 3, your chapter 4 to someone else's chapter 10 or 20. Because they've been experiencing the things that you're experiencing right now. They've already experienced it. So don't get angry, don't get mad, don't get depressed when you see that these people already have, nice cars, nice houses. When these people already have wealth. Don't get mad at that. Stay focused on you, stay in your lane, because when you're in your lane, you can't crash. When you're looking at the street, you can't crash. But when you're looking at other cars, you have the ability to crash because you're focusing on other people. You're focusing on their things, what they're doing. Focus on yourself. Develop you. I'm making this video to you right now because I know a lot of us are probably going through that right now. Lots of us are just sitting at home, probably doing the same things over and over and over. I want to just make this video to tell you, do something different today. Whenever you hear this video, I want you to do one thing different that you didn't do yesterday. Even if it's calling a family member that you wanted to talk to for a while. For a long time now. Even if it's that. Even if it's saying a positive thing to someone out in public. Do that. Do something different today that you didn't do yesterday. And if you can do that every day, just pushing yourself to do one thing differently that you didn't do yesterday that is going to benefit you the next day. Keep doing that every day. And if you live like that, just imagine where you will be at in 10 years. Just imagine where you'll be at on your chapter 20. You will be amazing. You will be a beast, literally. So that's kind of where, that's why I'm really making this video for you guys today. I just want you guys to know, a lot of us are on social media right now. I just want to make sure you guys are using social media for the right things. I know social media is kind of like a double-edged sword. It can have a positive or a negative effect on you. If you're using it for your personal growth, your personal gain, it's going to be positive for you. Or if you're using it to entertain yourself and you're looking at other people's lives consistently, just idolizing celebrities and all of that, just paying attention to them and watching their lane 24/7. It's going to be a negative effect and you're going to feel depressed. You're going to wish you had what they had. You're going to wish that you could be in their shoes and have their life and all the money that they had. But you don't realize that they're on chapter 30. You don't realize that they had to struggle to get where they are. You see what they are at now. And you just say, dang, well, I wish I could be there. But you don't realize that you can get there. Like if you think that you're there right now, you could already become the person that you want to be in the future and embody that. If you want to be successful, like I always talk about, if you want to be successful, act successful now. Make actions of success right now that are going to benefit you. That's why I said, if you can, do one thing differently today that you didn't do yesterday. And try to live like that every single day because it'll help you out so much. It'll improve you. It'll improve your state of being, your state of mind. It'll make you mentally stronger, spiritually stronger, emotionally stronger as a man, as a woman. So please, guys, take this into consideration. All right. I'm only here. I want to spread positivity, love, peace, and, knowledge to everyone that's in my generation and people, if you're older than me, whatever it might be, just take this into consideration and try it because this is what worked for me. All right. Now, at the end of the day, it is my opinion and it's all up to you if you want to try it. You don't have to, but just know it's going to benefit you. So with that being said, love you guys. Peace. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.